So good afternoon all. Hope most of the students have joined in the class. So hope everybody is fine, happy, healthy, safe, cool, good. So in the previous class, we have discussed about self-introduction, and I have given you a few inputs on self-introduction. What are the do's and don'ts of self-introduction? As I said, this is not. See, this question. Tell me about yourself. This ice-breaking question is. It seems to be so easy, but it is not that easy. Okay, it is very tricky question where you are giving the HR panel the information from which the next followed by questions will be depending on. So, and even the 50%, let me tell you, 50% of the interview depends on the information what you give in the this answer, ice-breaking question answer, that is, tell me about yourself. Okay, so now today in our class, there are few people who are ready to give the presentations. I give you yeah, those who are ready one by one, you start giving your self introduction. When you are giving, everybody should be listening that, and based on that we will discuss what is good, what is to be improved, and what are the suggestions, compliments, comments, everything we will discuss. When suggestions are given, those suggestions are not meant to only the candidate who has given the self introduction, but those suggestions are meant for the whole batch. Okay, when we are presenting our self introduction, which I told you, it should be is it only 2 to 3 minutes of time, and in these 2 to 3 minutes of time you have to impress the HR panel. Okay, so impressions, first impressions, to make first impressions, there won't be any second chance. So this 2 to 3 minutes of time is very crucial time for you, and it is very precious time for you, which you have to avail 100%. Okay, and the people who are coming out to give self introduction, there are many people like who have given their names to me. I did not here also I will not call you by name or number. You yourself take a chance, and either if you want to use your audio as well as video, you're welcome. If only you want to use your video, that is also fine. But thing is that make a habit of giving a video presentation. Okay, because I told you post-COVID interview pattern has changed now. Okay, so you have to make your video of 1 minute about your self-introduction. So keeping in that mind, better if you put your video also on, or else if you feel a bit inconvenient, that's fine. In the coming sessions you can on. As of now, you can go with this. Okay, hope I made clear. Right, now shall we start? Yeah, a good start is half done, right? So let us give a good start. Whoever want to give a presentation, self-introduction, they can unmute themselves and start. Yes. Yes. Who's going to be the first? Yeah, let's not waste time. Let's not waste our time. Make it fast. Who is going to be the first person to give self-introduction? I have already given the option for you to, you can unmute yourself and give your presentation. happened? Why wasting of time? Why wasting of time? You say, I have given you a very simple. Yeah. May I know who's that?
My name is Shankar, ma'am. I am from
Hello, Shankar. Hello,
CSC
Shankar.
third year.
Hello, Shankar.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, Shankar. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good.
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Shankar. Thank you so much. Thank you. So you have, are you ready with the presentation?
I don't have any video presentation, ma'am. Only I am introducing myself.
That's fine. That's fine. It's not at all an issue. You see, your attempt is important. Okay, first chance you have taken, that itself a great achievement. Okay, Shankar.
Okay, ma'am.
Hope everybody is fine at home. Hope everybody is fine at home, Shankar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, very good. So, so you started availing this lockdown period in a proper way, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Shankar. Very good. Nice to talking to you, Shankar. Okay, dear students, let's today Shankar is going to give his trial self introduction. Okay, let's listen. Okay, Shankar, you can go ahead, ma. All the best. Before that, I would like all the students to give claps in the chat box for Shankar. Claps, please. I welcome Shankar with a round of applause. Everybody, I want to see claps in the chat box, please. If everybody is awake. If they are in sleep, I can't help. Yes, good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, Shankar, you are getting welcoming. Yes, yes. Okay, good, good. Yes, Shankar. Now you can go ahead.
Good afternoon to all. My name is V. Shankar Rao. I am from CSC department. Now I am studying third year. I am from Srikakulam district. My father is a farmer. From the childhood, I am studying in a government high school. And now I am trying to learn spoken English. That's all. Thank you, everyone.
Shankar, thank you. Fine. Okay. So Shankar has just now given his self-introduction. Okay, good. Congratulations, Shankar. Your presentation is good, but many things are to be added in your presentation, like in your self-introduction, like strengths, weakness. What is your strength? What is your weakness? Okay, and detail, like if you have done some project, and if you have some like things like your, what can I say? See, once again, I'm telling you all the inputs, whatever I'm giving, those are not meant for only Shankar, but those are meant for third years, right? So you have to include about your achievements, and if anything you have made, like you were the captain for the basketball college basketball team, or you have represented the college to somewhere in the games, or you have attended somewhere some techno symposiums, etc., etc., then you have achieved something. All those also you can include in your self introduction. You see, you have to highlight or advertise all your skills, whatever you have. You have to highlight them, you have to present them. With those things, you have to convince or impress the interview panel members. Okay, so you can include your achievements, in case if any project details. Okay, strengths and weakness also. Okay, fine, Shankar. Okay, and one more thing you can do,
Okay,
you can write it down on the paper. First of all, you write down what are the things to be included in that. Okay, and then you practice, you can do still far better. But you have taken a bold step, of giving your presentation first. For that, I appreciate you. Let me tell you one thing, Shankar. At this point of time, I have a hope. Let me share that hope with you. Thing is that in your final year, if not in the first attempt or if not in the second attempt, for sure you will get placed in the third attempt of your interview. Because let me tell you in front of everybody, is it because the people who are with 90% aggregate, 94% aggregate are not the people who are getting placed first. The people who are active, the people who are proactive, those are the people who are getting placed in the company. My dear students, get this word. Today's takeaway point, that is, the people who are the students who are proactive in nature, those are the students who are getting placed in the companies. Not, of course, the people who are having good aggregates also, but before them, these proactive people are the people who are getting placed in the companies. So, before going this, let me just tell you whether, I don't know whether you know or not, what is proactive, by the way. Can I just have your responses in the chat box? Please text in the chat box, what do you mean by proactive? Yeah, I have a question, just a minute. Ma'am, should our achievements be mentioned be related to our academics only? It can be academics, it can be extracurricular, it can be anything. Extracurricular or curricular, even included in the syllabus also, projects, etc. If you are like games and sports, they comes under extracurricular, right? You can include that. Okay, you have represented college in some game or something like a state level or district level or zonal level, fine, you make it, you are having that, you exhibit it. That's simple. Yes, I hope I made that out clear. Taking it, okay, so here are the responses. Taking a chance, hyperactive, taking a great initiative than others, proactive, creating or controlling a situation rather than just responding to it after it has happened. These are the responses what your friends have given. The person more enthusiastic and willing to do new things. Okay, one more response from Jahnavi Srinivas Rao is, who comes first and bold? Is, yeah, I tell you what. Okay, you tell me what is active, then I tell you what is proactive. Yes, students, tell me what is active. What is active? Any idea? What is active? Who come? Yes, text in the chat box, please. What is active? Responding every question is active. Okay. Okay, responding every question. Engaging in some activity is active. Okay. Okay. Involvement with a great energy. Okay, those who are ready to respond everything. Okay, number 115. Okay, madam, there are some people in the waiting room. Okay, no, I admitted already. Okay, anyhow, thank you for reminding. Being energetic, willing to engage, who doesn't have shy to talk and bold. Okay, 5G1 is given some answer. Okay, good. Okay, let me tell you what is active and proactive in a known, with a known example. Okay. Uh, for example, I came to your class, offline class, okay, and I need a piece of chalk. So what I do is, I ask somebody, yes, Mr. So and so, can you please bring me a piece of chalk? Immediately, the moment I finish the sentence, he gets up, he rushes to the department or staff room, take a piece of chalk, come back and give me. He is active. He is active. Then coming to the next one, this word proactive. Proactive means I came to the class and somebody observed me and expected that and guessed that I'm going to take a class and I need a chalk, and he himself made a decision to get me a piece of chalk. He take permission, go out, pick the chalk from the staff room, come back and offer me a piece of chalk. First case is active. The second case is proactive. Okay, proactive means for them, Nobody will give instructions. Yeah, you go, you do, you come. No, they make a decision in their brain. They make a decision in their brain and they try to implement that. They think creatively. Proactive people, they think creatively, they make a decision and they implement the decision. And for them, though the people who does like that, proactive people, they are always out of the crowd. They will not be in the crowd. They will be always out of the crowd. And those are the people who are successful in their first few attempts only, especially in the interviews. So you should be proactive. You see, now also so many people are there 30 years in my batch. I can just call on to their number and say, yes, today you have to give your self-introduction. Yes, tomorrow you have to give. I can appoint you, but I don't do that. I want you people to make decision. You have to make decision and make the decision a right decision and implement that right decision. You should be in a position to take such type of decisions. In order to take that such type of decisions, one should be self-initiative, self-motivator. Yes, I should. You see, I don't know now who's the person just now have given that name, Durgarao. If I'm not, yeah, I not properly remember the name. Okay, he had made a decision that I should give a self-introduction. He made a decision. He made that decision a right decision, and that right decision has implemented. Those are the people who are getting selected in the companies. People who are very proactive. So try to be proactive. Don't try or always don't expect that somebody will tell you something, then you do. You are not robots, my dear. You are human beings. Okay, don't be like robots. You get some inputs and you act accordingly. No, you create a thought in your mind and then respond to that thought. Hope I'm clear. Okay, so this guy, the first guy who has taken a good initiation, I am telling you once again, he definitely, if not the first attempt, if he continues in the same pace, like preparing for the interviews and all, and being a self-motivator and decision maker, then if not in the first or second attempt, for sure in the third attempt, he will get placed in the company. Because when he continues in the same pace, improvement is obviously will be there. Understood? And after like within few months, you will excel like anything. Obviously, you will be get placed in the company. So all of you, we all should learn. We should be very active, sorry, proactive. Okay, fine, very good. Now, so thank you, dear. Yes, may just can I speak to the person who just now gave the introduction? Who's that? Shankar.
Ma'am, Shankar, ma'am.
Shankar, right? Shankar, yeah, Shankar. Okay, very good, Shankar. Well done. Okay, you have to include some more points in that. You start doing that. Okay, Shankar.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All the best. Very good. Yes, please all type text in the chat box some compliments for Shankar, please. Compliments for Shankar, please. Well done, man. Good initiation. Very good. You're getting good compliment, Shankar. Good, and keep it up. Okay, good start. Yes, absolutely, Shankar. You have given a good start. Is it? Very good. And Shankar, good start. So 5G19 has given. Nice, Shankar. 551 is given. That Shankar, you good performance. Okay. Have a next level of your step. Yes, very good. 522. Okay. So you're going to take your next level. Okay, good, good. And Pujita has given good. Okay, Shankar, right. Thank you. Shankar, when somebody is giving you compliments, what we are supposed to do?
Thank you, everyone.
Very good, very good. You see, it's my class. I'm not going to give you any notes. I'm not going to give you any PPTs or any, no, nothing I'm going to do. Every sentence of mine, if you take it into your brain, okay, is an important point which helps you when you go for interviews and your preparation of interview. Every point, okay, see, saying a thank you when somebody gives you compliments is a very good gesture, you know. You have to give that. You have to give some you see, even giving compliments, you students also, why are you so quiet till my saying that you give compliments? Okay, when somebody has done something good, it is our duty, it is a responsibility, minimum etiquette to give compliments. Okay, are we going to lose anything? No, we are not going to lose anything, but giving compliment is a very good etiquette. Okay, try to maintain that. And at the same time, when somebody gives you compliment, very positively you respond by saying thank you. Okay, you see, I'm telling you, every sentence of mine in this class is a point to be noted. Make a point, and just not noting in the brain, but implementation is important. Okay, start implementing, giving compliments and saying thank you when somebody gives you compliments. Fine, good. Okay, now let's go with the next person. Somebody is waiting here. Yes, Pujita.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, Pujita. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Pujita. Thank you. After a long time.
Yes, ma'am.
I think I was English faculty for you in the first year.
Yes, ma'am, for the second semester.
Yeah, okay, good, good. Okay, Pujita. Then shall we start? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay, as usual, Pujita, you used to be the first in the class to do some activity as such. Okay, you are continuing in the same pace. Good going, good going. Okay,
Thank
fine,
you, ma'am.
Pujita. Okay, dear students, let us lend our ears towards Pujita. Yes, Pujita.
A good day to all one who present here. Firstly, I thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Pujita, pursuing my graduate in Sir C.R. Reddy College of Engineering in the stream of CSE. I am from Eluru. My strengths are willpower and self-motivation. My weakness is afraid of something. When I face it is a difficulty. Though I am afraid, I can achieve that. Since I was afraid of maths when I seen it, but I have achieved town second in Sintana maths test. My short-term goal is to get a certificate with good CGPA, and my long-term goal is to achieve a job in well-reputed organization. My hobbies: I was very interested in learning new things that are not existed. Skills: browsing internet, Java, and Python. Thank you once again. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Well done, Pujita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Your self-introduction is reflecting your preparation.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, did you say something about your family background?
I am from. I am one of four, ma'am. I have a younger brother, ma'am.
Okay.
My mother is housewife.
Yeah.
She is
Exactly. This is
everything
the
for
word.
me.
This is the word what I want. And this one, I'm waiting for this word. Okay. So my mother is housewife. Okay. So the instructions what I'm giving, I'm once again telling you, it is for the whole class. Okay. Fine. My mother is a housewife. Good. You see, English is of two types. Yes, anybody please tell me chat in the text in the chat box, how many types of English are there? How many types of English is formal, informal? Two types, okay? And formal, and 382 is giving formal, and formal, informal, 5G9, okay? And 2 types, and okay. Let me tell you one thing. British English, American English, very good, 580. Western English, Indian English, yes, and okay, agreed. And I agree. British English, American English, Scottish, Indian English, Tinglish, okay. Many are there. But according to me, there are two types of English. According to me, personally, I feel there are two types of English. Okay. One is correct English, and second one is current English. One is correct English, and second one is current English. Okay. Correct English. Okay. SCHEDULE. SCHEDULE. Anybody unmute yourself and can you just tell me what is the pronunciation of that?
Schedule.
SCHEDULE. Sorry?
Schedule.
Schedule. Okay. Schedule. And somewhere I heard one voice that is schedule. Okay. Good. Schedule is correct English. Schedule is current English. Let me repeat once again. Listen carefully. Schedule is correct English. Grammatically, the pronunciation, that how you are supposed to pronounce schedule is correct. But the current English, current means the present trend, whichever is going on. The current English is schedule. You have to pronounce it as schedule. We should always go with the current English. Especially, you have to update ourselves. In case if we don't update, we will be outdated, right? So you have to update with the new vocabulary, new words, whatever are trending. Okay. So you have to use the word schedule in the same way. My father is so and so, and my mother is a wonderful homemaker. See, my mother is housewife is different. My mother is a wonderful homemaker. See how beautiful the sentence is. Understand? Homemaker is a current English. Housewife is correct English. I don't say housewife is wrong. No. Housewife is correct. Homemaker is current. Everybody agree? Understood, ma? Please text in the chat box. Understood whether what is the thing? Are you able to follow? Yes or no? Text in the chat box. Yes. Okay, fine. Right. Understand? So try to use such vocabulary when you go for interview. When can you use? When you are habituated to that, automatically you get that. Okay. Yes. Coming back to Pujita. Pujita, you have done well. Your preparation is reflecting perfection, and still you can refine it. Even you can, if you want to make some changes in that also, you can make. Nothing wrong. Okay. Good. All the points have covered beautifully. Good, Pujita. Yes,
Thank you,
compliments for Pujita and claps for Pujita in the text, in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. 5G1, yeah, 5G9, Srinivas Rao, 127. Yeah, fantastic. Well done, Pujita. Well said. You see, when you're listening to such type of things, you get thoughts. Okay, this point is good in this. So let me try. This point is nice. So let me also imitate that. That should be there. When we listen to somebody, we learn a lot. Okay. Shall we have once again one more person? Yes, Pujita, thank you a lot. All the best, my dear. God bless you.
Hello.
Yes. Shall we have the next person? May I know who's that?
Yeah, ma'am. Hello. Good
Hello?
evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. May I know
Yes,
who is...
I am Srinivas from mechanical section.
Okay, Srinivas. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. I'm good. So, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm doing good. Very fine, healthy by God's grace. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know whether I don't have about this session. So just now I seen the WhatsApp group. So I joined. So I haven't prepared for this. Hello.
Is this your first class of mine?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, how come you missed previously?
Yeah, I don't. I mean, I don't have. I don't have joined in the group.
Okay, fine. No problem. No problem. Okay. Only first two sessions we did a small analysis about the career and all. That's it. We did not have much. Okay. Only
Yeah.
self-reduction is the only topic. You did not miss much. Okay. Fine. No
Okay.
issue. Okay, Srinivas. Shall we
Okay.
start?
Here I am. So I am here to learn something that I can use for the masters interviews, visa interviews, and the. So That's the matter, ma'am.
Is very much useful in real life, whatever the context or whatever the situation may be. It will be useful somewhere or some in some situation in your real life. Okay, good. Go ahead. All the best. Yes, come on.
Okay. Mm, and I am from Rajahmundry. So I am mechanical B section. So I wanna go to masters for the US or Canada. So I'm planning through that, and I'm gonna write the GRE for the spring. So that I can improve my language by watching somewhat movies and some of learning novels and improving some vocabulary. So by watching movies and I can improve my accent. So that can help me a lot. So hope the guys who are willing to do a masters in various countries, so you can please follow my suggestions. Okay, thanks, ma'am. From tomorrow, I can able to interact with the subject. I mean, the way, sorry, the given.
So you wanted to follow the classes regularly. Okay, Srinivas, no problem. I think in a week you are having 2 days class. Okay, one is on Monday and Wednesday. Okay, so every Monday and Wednesday by 3:15 you can join the class. Yes, anyhow. Yeah. As far as
Thanks for the
Srinivas.
kind gestures.
Yeah, very good. Very
Thanks.
good. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. So already compliments started rushing into that chat box, like super Vasu. Hope you all have a good future, Srinivas. Vasu bro, excellent. Okay, very good. You are getting claps. Good, Vasu. Good, good. Okay. Yeah, without preparation, spontaneously you have come out with. Okay. But still you have to add so many points in that. In your self-introduction, as this is the first class of yours, obviously you have done a good job. Okay, still some more points, and I will tell those points as you have missed the class, and some of you might have attended today only. Once again I will recap. Before that, I want to give a small suggestion to the whole class. Small suggestion to the whole class is, when Srinivas was saying, he was saying like so, so, etc. Okay, those are called sounds are called fillers. What are they called? Fillers. Okay, we should never use fillers, especially in self-introduction answer. In the other answers, if you use fillers or that's fine. It is not that a blunder, but you're not supposed to use fillers when you are giving self-introduction, because self-introduction is a question, ice-breaking question, which is an expected expected question for any job. So HR expects that you are thorough with that self-introduction. So at that time, you cannot give pauses and fillers in your self-introduction. So try to avoid this. Suggestion is for whole class. Okay, so don't try to avoid those fillers. That's it. Okay, good. And some more points I just told you. I told you that I'll be sharing. I'll once again just have the glimpse of that PPT. Just have a look. Yes, are you able to view that PPT? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So other day we have seen this self-introduction seems the easiest but most tricky one, as we have discussed. It seems to be so easy, but it is not that easy. Okay. And the second one is did we discuss these points, ma? Sit or stand confidently, maintain eye contact, don't be too loud, be clear. Did we discuss these points? Anybody please reply, unmute yourself and reply. Did we discuss these points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have already discussed. Okay, good. Okay, then don't rush, don't repeat the same point, don't talk about pay and all. Okay, fine. Okay, for the people who are joined today, okay, sit or stand confidently as we have discussed previously. The way the body language itself reflects what is going on in your mind. Okay, so you have to sit properly and sit confidently or stand confidently according to the situation there. Okay, maintain proper eye contact, direct eye contact. Don't be too loud, at the same time don't be too low, but be clear, be clear. It should not, your presentation should not exceed like more than 3 minutes, and it should not be less than 2 minutes. And don't tell your life story, please. Okay, you have to tell, as you are having only 2 to 3 minutes of precious time. Try to put only the best of you in those 2 to 3 minutes of time. Don't tell your life story. Don't rush also. If you rush, the person who is able to listening to you, he cannot follow. So please don't rush. Be cool. Okay, don't repeat the same point, don't lie. Okay, and don't talk about the pay also. And the next line, let me share with you the things which you are supposed to include. These are, please everybody, these are the things which you are supposed to include in the your self introduction. First one is your name. Okay, when the speaker, when the HR person already asks you like, yes Mr. Shankar, introduce yourself. In case if he says like that, again you should not start your introduction with I am Shankar. No, because he already pronounce your name. So again you should not say that you are Shankar. Okay, directly you can start I am from. Okay, when he is not mentioning your name. In case if he mentions your name, please don't mention again your name. Okay, then coming to your place. Okay, where you have there are some people in the waiting room. Okay, and you have to include your qualification. These points I am just once again recollecting very fastly for the people who are joined today, for the sake of those people. Okay, and then your qualification, your project details, and training, and if at all, if you have undergone any training, work experience in case if you have, then strengths and weaknesses. What is your strength? My strength is my parents, my family is my strength, and then coming to my weakness, this so and so is my weakness. Okay, like that you have to tell. And little bit, very little about family, no need to include the details, and names of families, no need. Okay, if he starts with name, there's one question here, I come back, and little about family, and finally hobbies. These are the things which, once again, just very fastly, and the people who missed my class previously, you can follow, so that you have to prepare your self-introduction based on all these things. Okay, coming back, yes, here is a question. Yes, we have this. If he starts with name, how we need to start my introduction? Okay, Bhuvan, Mr. Bhuvan 569 is asking. Okay, if he starts with the name like yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. Raj, can you introduce yourself? Which means he has already uttered your name. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am from. Directly you can start. Again, don't mention your name. Okay, and thanking regards, like either in the beginning you say thank you for giving me this opportunity of introducing myself, or in the end you can say, it's up to you, either in the beginning or in the end you can say. Okay, right, anything else, any doubt, any more doubts regarding this? Okay, fine. So this is the way how you have to give the self-introduction. The last person just now who has given, he did not prepare. Okay, from mechanical, I think. Okay, though he did not prepare, He has tried his level best to do it, Srinivas. Well done. Good. Keep going. And next attempt, I'm waiting for your next prepared attempt, my dear. Hope you got it. Once again, I'm repeating. I'm waiting for your next prepared attempt. This is unprepared, spontaneous attempt. I'm expecting a prepared attempt. Okay. And all the best for your preparation. Right. Yeah. Compliments for him. Compliments for 382. Compliments for 382. Yes, good, good, good. Okay. Now, who's the next person?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. May I know who are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Jahnavi from 3/4 Civil.
Okay. Hello, Jahnavi. How are you?
Sorry, ma'am. I can't hear your voice.
Oh, I see. Maybe the signal is weak. Let me check once.
Sorry, ma'am. I can't hear you.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay. Right. How are you, Jahnavi?
Yes, ma'am. I'm absolutely fine, ma'am. I'm healthy and feeling good, ma'am.
Good, good to know. So you are prepared for the self-introduction?
Yes, ma'am. You're. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Prepared, ma'am. Okay, can I start, ma'am?
Yes, with pleasure.
Okay, let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Jahnavi Badiga from Elur, and I am pursuing my degree in Sir C.R. Reddy College of Engineering in 3/4 Civil. I have gained a course certificate in Computer Aided Design and STAT Pro, which are related to civil engineering subjects, and I have strengths like I can easily mingle with others, and I have fast grasping power, and I consider myself as enthusiastic. And also I have my weakness, that is laziness, but I can say I can overcome it. Coming to my family, my father is a employee. My father is a private employee, and my mother is businesswoman. My hobbies are reading novels, watching TV, and playing with my sister. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah, good. A good presentation. Self-introduction was really good. Congratulations, Jahnavi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. A small session for whole class. Okay. Yeah, you have covered your strengths and weaknesses and all. Jahnavi has done covered all the points like strengths, weaknesses, everything. Yeah, when she said weakness, I have my laziness is my weakness. What Jahnavi has said, but she appropriately covered that by saying that I am trying to overcome it. Okay, my laziness is a weakness, my weakness is my laziness, but I am working on it, or I am trying to overcome it. Okay, this is the thing what you have to say. You see, when you have to say your laziness, what is your laziness, what is your weakness, and what is, I mean, you have to mention your weakness. I'm sorry, you have to mention your weakness, but the weakness whatever you are mentioning should be in such a way that it will not affect the company after you join the company. In such a way, your weakness should be. I repeat once again, the whatever weakness you are mentioning here, okay, like whatever, okay, that weakness, because of that weakness, company should not affect in any way. In such a way, your weakness should be. Okay, my weakness is, yeah, what Jahnavi has said is, I am a bit lazy, but I am working on it. It's a beautiful one. Okay, my strength is so and so, and coming to my weakness, I am workaholic. I am workaholic. Workaholic means a person who can't be with peace of mind unless and until he completes his work. I repeat once again, workaholic. Workaholic means a person who will not be at peace unless and until he or she completes his or her work. Okay, so company people need such type of people who cannot sleep unless they complete their work. So that they can be depicted as a weakness. Okay, or this laziness. I'm a bit lazy. I cannot. I am I'm short temper. I'm working over it. Definitely, there will be one question. There may be some question like, how are you trying to overcome your weakness? This question may arise. How do you overcome your weakness? The followed by questions. I told you, from the information, whatever you are giving, the questions arise. Maybe like this. How do you overcome your weakness? Yeah, I am trying to overcome my weakness by going for a morning jog or going for a meditation. You see, this is the expected question, and I am giving an answer for an expected question. Okay, so I am working over it by doing some meditation and pranayamas, and I also go for morning walk. So this is the way how you give the explanation for expected question. Got it? Okay, Jahnavi, you have done well. Very good. Your preparation is reflected in your self-introduction. Very good, Jahnavi. Keep doing, keep practicing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, compliment, suggestions, comments for Jahnavi, please. In that.
Yes, ma'am, they have already given. Thank you all. Thank you so much for the encouragement.
Good going. Go ahead like this. Right. Yes, Jahnavi. Thank you so much, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I know who's that?
Padmini, ma'am.
Yeah, Padmini. How are you, ma'am?
Good, ma'am. Good, ma'am.
Very good.
Shall I start, ma'am? Okay. It's my great pleasure to introduce myself, ma'am. Well, I am from Somarpadu village. Now I currently pursuing BTech third year in the stream of CSE from CRD College of Engineering with an aggregate of 86%. My strength are my hard work and self-motivation. Moreover, I never neglect an opportunity for my improvement. Coming to my weaknesses, I couldn't avoid drinking coffee at early morning, ma'am. My hobbies are drawing, painting, and watching Harry Potter series. My short-term goal is to get placed in a reputed company. And coming to my long-term goal, I want to reach higher position and may make family happily. Coming to my family, we are four in my family. My father is lorry driver and farmer. My mother is a wonderful homemaker, and I have one sibling. That's all about me, ma'am. Thank you for giving me such wonderful opportunity.
Well done, Padmini. Sorry, well done, Padmini. And you have covered all the points which are supposed to be included in self-introduction. And again, once again, your preparation is reflected in your presentation. Good. And from your preparation, the question may be like this: like, may I know how your hard work had given you a good sweet fruit? This question may arise. See, because you told that my hard work is my strength. Yes. So
Yes,
when you say that, this may be the question like, may I know or explain any incident where in your past life your hard work has given you fruits. Okay, you must be in a position to say like this: yes, sir. Yes, sir. When I was allotted a project in my third year or final year, okay, it was a very complicated one where so much of hectic work is supposed to be done. At that time, I even have skipped some meals and all, and I was focusing completely on over that, and finally able to do the project before time. So ultimately, because of that, I won a very good reputation in the department. So my hard work has given me sweet fruits in my past life. So my strength is my hard work. You see how I'm justifying. Everybody understood, ma'am? So when you say something, the expected question will be there. For that expected question, you have to justify. You have to, in case if you are unable to justify that point, okay, you see, there it means that if you are failing to justify, it means that you are speaking a lie. So you should be in a position to justify whatever you are saying there. Got it? Very good. This is instructions for whole class. Let me tell you. Okay. When you speak only, I am getting a chance to correct you. You see, when Pujita, when Srinivas and Shankar and Padmini, when these people are speaking, I am getting a chance to correct you. I am getting a chance to give some more inputs for the about the topic. So this is the way how we learn. Understood? And these points you have to include in the next presentation. Okay, so very good, Padmini. And you said something about your weakness. What is the weakness? I somewhere I was very much impressed. Yeah, my day don't start with a coffee or something just like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you repeat? Can you please repeat?
I couldn't ever drinking coffee at early morning.
Yes, that is your weakness, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you see, this weakness is no way affecting the company. Even like previous girl, she also said like, what is that? My laziness. Okay, laziness, people don't, but people don't take much serious about that laziness. Okay, fine. Okay, so in this way, your laziness should not affect the company. That in such a way you have to, sorry, your weakness should not affect the company. In such a way, you have to present your weakness. Okay, well done, Padmini. Yes, already you received so many compliments. Nice presentation, claps. No words to compliment you, my friend, and best of luck. Okay, good, good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, all my friends.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, next.
Good
Anyone?
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
I know who's that?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. I can't able to hear your voice, ma'am.
Yeah, today there is some signal problem over here. I'm trying to manage it. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I know your name, please?
Myself, Gauri Priya, ma'am.
Yeah, Gauri. How are you, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am. I'm absolutely fine, ma'am.
Yeah, you are the one who used to play games, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How is life going on?
Ma'am, I can't able to hear your voice, ma'am.
How's life going on in the lockdown?
It's so good, ma'am. Enjoying a lot with friends and neighbors.
Okay.
Somewhat boring also, ma'am.
Boring also. No issue. See, you had that boring time, you know, you can focus on such things like career planning and all. Good.
Yes, ma'am. I'm joined as a City Cable newsreader.
Oh, very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Very good.
Shall I start, ma'am?
With pleasure, my dear.
Hi, my dear friends. Myself, Gauri Priya. I'm pursuing third year CSC in our college. First, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are reading novels and playing sports. My long-term goal is to make my parents happy, and my short-term goal is also to make my parents happy. And my weakness is overeating and my strength is my parents. Thank you, ma'am, giving this opportunity.
Good. Good, Padmini. Sorry, Gauri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Well done. So, you said that your strength is?
My parents, ma'am.
My parents. Okay. Again, the question may rise like this. Okay. In what way you feel that your parents are your strength? So you have to again justify. Yeah, when I
Yes,
am
ma'am,
like
absolutely.
in a critical situation where I was totally upset because of some marks and all, my parents were stood behind me and they were encouraging me and motivating me and inspired me, especially my father. He inspired me a lot, and by which I have gained my confidence and I was able to talk. Okay, so in this way, my parents are my strength. You see, justification. Hope everybody understood, ma? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
when you
This
say
same
something,
question I faced in our college exams also, ma'am.
obviously, you know, these are the things. Let me tell you one thing. Interview, if you are good at language, okay, it is just going and having a talk with somebody and coming back. Little bit of general awareness should be there, little bit of technical knowledge should be there, and it is just like that, going and having a formal, but it will be an a very formal setting, that's it, a very formal setting, that's it. Okay, it will be just be it will be moving around us, around our past life and present, that's it. It will be about us only, we are going and saying there, so there should not be any difficulty in that. Only thing, the approach how we follow, that matters. Okay, good. Okay, anything else to say?
Nothing, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing good, my dear. God's grace. Fine. Happy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this Gauri, you are getting compliments over there. Intensive words in the
Thank you
introduction,
for
but
giving
needs little bit of.
compliments.
Good. Good, Gauri.
Thank you
Okay.
so much to all.
Right. Thank you, Gauri.
Thank you, ma'am.
A few more points can be added, I think. Few more things can be added in here. It is too
Yes,
short. It
ma'am.
should
Surely,
be.
ma'am. Next time I will add all the points, including my studies and others also.
As I told you, 2 to 3 minutes of time. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes of time you have. So you have to avail it at max. Still, you include some more points in that about you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Sure,
right.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Next person.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. May I know who is there?
I am Saranya, ma'am.
Hi, Sharanya.
Madam,
are
your
you?
voice is not clear, ma'am.
How are you, Sharanya?
I am fine, ma'am. Thank you. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Today there is some signal problem actually, or else it would be Wi-Fi very weak signal we are finding over here. But still, I try to manage. Okay. So how is life going on, Sharanya?
Cool, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So you're prepared for self-introduction?
Yeah, ma'am. Just 5 minutes back.
Oh, why you yesterday you did not prepare?
No, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. Okay, you decided, you made a decision, and you are trying to implement that. That's it. Very good. Go ahead, Sharanya.
Okay, ma'am. Hi, friends. Hope you are all doing good. I am from Tanuku, West Godavari district, currently living in Eluru. I am studying in third year in CR Reddy College in the stream of CSC. From childhood, passionate about arts and great admirer of arts. And I also participated in many art competitions, and I also won few competitions. My long-term goal is to become an artist. Coming to my family, my father is working in forest department. My mother is a homemaker, and I have an elder brother. So my strengths are my family and my hard work. My weakness is overthinking. So this is about me. I want to thank Zarina ma'am for giving this opportunity.
You're most
Thank you,
welcome.
ma'am.
Yeah. I say you have to thank the principal and management, you know, because it is their turn to put to arrange such a soft skill training session for third years and final years, even for second years also. Okay, see, because we are availing the leisure time in a very better way instead of just passing the time, using the time in a proper way. So you had to first thank God, management, principal, and then last comes me. Okay. Anyhow, good, good, well
Thank
done.
you, ma'am.
Sure. Yeah. Any more points to add in that?
No, ma'am.
You have added your strength, your weakness also. Your parents and family is your strength, and your weakness. What did you say, ma?
Overthinking.
Overthinking. Okay. Yeah, you have to. Yeah, that is also anyhow not affecting the company. Yeah, but you can say I am working on it. Okay. Right. Very good. Well done. Keep doing, and you can add some more points. I think, Sharanya. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay. You can like even after saying all this, my hobbies are, or I believe in. I strongly believe in serving mankind. Like that, you can add that also. Okay, right. Anyhow, good, well done. And already, Sharanya, you're getting so many responses over there. Good practice in few minutes, dear Sharanya. Oh, wow, good, good. See, well done, Sharanya, and all the best for your dream. Yes, all the best on behalf of whole class. Okay, wish you all the best, Sharanya. Thank you.
Thank
And
you,
again,
ma'am.
refine the same thing. Refine it. Add some more points and refine. Okay, Sharanya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, right. Okay. Next.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, may I know who's this?
This is Teja Pranita, ma'am.
Okay, Teja. For today's session, let us finish with Teja's self-introduction, and the remaining we'll go with the next coming class. Okay, right. Yes, Teja. Go
How are you
ahead.
doing, ma'am, in this
Yeah,
pandemic situation?
yeah. Sorry.
How are you doing, ma'am, in this
Yeah.
pandemic situation?
Yes, yes. I am able to manage somehow, and God's grace, as of now, cool, good, happy. Okay.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, with pleasure.
Good evening to everyone. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me to introduce myself to you. I'm Teja Pranita. We are 5 members in my family, including me. I'm native to Gudivada. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech in CSE stream at the Sir CRR College of Engineering. And my long-term goal is to secure a job in a high-end organization. I believe upon being realistic and loyal. My greatest strength is that I'm a hard worker. My weakness is I can't take an initiative step, but I'm trying to overcome it, and surely I'll overcome it. Apart from studies, I enjoy in dancing. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with friends, sometimes cooking, listening to music, and playing. Thank you very much for making me to speak about myself. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. A good finishing for the today's session, Teja. Okay, you have done everything. Like all the points are covered, almost all, and preparation is reflected. And family details, I think it can be kept in the end.
Oh,
It was
okay,
in the
ma'am.
beginning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make it into the last, but one before hobbies or somewhere like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. All the points are included. Very good. Any more suggestions or compliments for good name, Teja?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah, you are prepared well. That is reflected. The flow of the sentences, you know, it is. By the way, you read or you said without seeing.
Without seeing, ma'am. I already prepared it just in 10 minutes before started your class.
Very good, very good. Okay. So, see, you got a nice compliment, my dear. Let me say very fastly. You speak like TV ads, nice. 517.
Thank
Okay.
you.
See how beautifully you're getting the compliments. Very good. Okay. So in this way, if you practice, you know, by the now you started, you know, by the year end, like when you are entering into the final year, you will be just thorough, and when you are thorough, what happens is your confidence levels, you know, they'll be on the top. Okay, they'll be on the top. So all the best, Teja. Good luck. Keep
you, ma'am.
practicing.
Thank you, everyone.
Teja, a small note for you. Can I? In the chat box you have, bring your recipes to college after opening. As you said, you have a habit of cooking.
Sure, ma'am.
And Jahnavi is the first to taste that. We will be in the end.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I will taste it.
Okay, we will experiment on Jahnavi. If everything is cool and fine, then we will go ahead with
If she is
that. Okay?
alive, then I will keep to you, ma'am.
Okay, so fine. So I'm very happy that many students have come with a self-introduction, and expecting the remaining students also in the next class. You see, when you are saying only, I'm getting a chance to correct you, I'm getting a chance to include how the questions will be asked from the introduction what you have given. So please give me a chance to add some more points. If only you can say, then only I can give some more inputs. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, if I give you definition of self-introduction and what are the points to be just like a note, it will not work out. Okay, this is the way, this is the real exact way how we have to learn practically the activities or the things like self-introduction, group discussion and all. Okay, so I once again request everybody to prepare for tomorrow, the next class, self-introduction. With this note, I would like to end the session and wish you all good luck and God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye. You can leave.
Thanks, ma'am.
Welcome. I once again congratulate all the students who have, sorry I forgot, I congratulate all the students who have given the self-introduction and wish you all the best. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. You can leave.